Hello, everyone. Mary Graceford here, your host for the Joint Venture Success Summit. And here with me is Kelly Jo Murphy. And we're going to be talking about a topic that is so integral to the success of our business as heart-centered, purpose-driven entrepreneurs. And that is how to write copy from your soul that not only captivates your audience, but your joint ventures as well. Really all about collaboration. So I'm really excited about this topic that we're going to be digging deeper into. But first, let me welcome you, Kelly Jo, on stage.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Marie. I am excited to be here. This is one of my absolute favorite topics, as you know. So bringing the idea of how to write copy this way into the joint venture whole arena, is definitely going to be very powerful for all of you out there.
Very powerful. So before I get too excited here, I'd love for you to start with you sharing us your story. I mean, what was it like before and after you incorporated your venture into your mix? Kind of giving our audience the big opportunity. What's in it for them? What's the inspiration that they can hang on to so that they can see for themselves doing this joint venture strategy or adding this to their marketing strategy?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So I have been an entrepreneur for about 25 years with my husband, a few different businesses, and a coach consultant for 15 of those years. Now, it took me probably a good 10 of them before I ever even heard of or knew the concept of joint venturing. And how I stumbled upon it was just one of my teachers of something I was getting certified in loved what I was doing. And she said, oh, let me share it with my list. And I was like, oh, okay, that sounds good. And literally when she shared it with her list, I just filled my whole program. And that right there, just once, okay, I had no idea what I was doing though. So that's where all the stuff that everybody else is sharing here with everyone in this summit is going to just totally help everything. I didn't know what I was doing. I knew that I loved the idea that somebody else helped me fill my program, right? But she got everyone on her list, not on mine. And I didn't know to even do that. And so then when the JV Insider Circle came along, a couple years back, I was like, oh, this is definitely something that was very powerful when it worked for me before. Let me learn how to do this in the right way so that I can really skyrocket everything in my business. And so then as I did, that is obviously exactly what has happened is, let me get this. Okay, sorry. So that is exactly what has happened is that not only has it helped skyrocket my business, but it has given me very deep, close relationships with all of my JV partners. And that right there is priceless in the part of it that, that I absolutely love about using JV partners and using the whole JV model to help you grow your business and grow your clients and grow your list. So that's the part that I absolutely love.